Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison, the Roborock Zeo One versus the Roborock Lite. If you're trying to figure out which one suits your home best, stay tuned because we'll break down the key features, shared strengths, and what makes each machine unique. Let's start with the Zeo One. This model really shines when it comes to delicate fabrics. It offers a specialized wool wash and dry cycle at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, which helps protect your clothes from shrinkage. On top of that, the tight temperature stabilization ensures that your laundry comes out perfectly treated every time. No surprises, no damage. Light and shared features. Now, the Lite isn't left behind. Both models include the Zeo Cycle Drying, which is gentle yet effective for all types of garments. Another shared standout is the Roborock Lint Cleaner Self-Clearing System, meaning you won't need to spend time manually removing lint. Super convenient for busy households. Additional Zeo One advantages. But the Zeo One does offer a few extra perks. It includes a pasture sterilization function, perfect for keeping your laundry extra hygienic. It also has a slightly narrower cabinet, which can fit better in tighter spaces. Plus, the digital display makes navigating cycles a breeze compared to Lite's older style button panel. Common specs. Both machines share some core specs: 10 kilogram washer capacity, 6 kilogram dryer, identical color options, and the same detergent compartments. So in terms of basic functionality, neither is lacking. So which one should you choose? Personally, I lean toward the Zeo One for its advanced features and extra conveniences. But if you're looking for a solid, reliable option, the Lite is still a strong contender. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which one would you pick and why? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.